how to turn on or turn off schedule, summary, notifications on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Notifications. Then in here, go down and tap on Schedule Summary. Then tap on Schedule Summary to turn it on. Now when you tap on that, it said that Notification Summary, bundle non-urgent notifications and receive them in a summary at convenient times. So here tap on the Continue button and then say Choose App for your summary. So go down the list here and tap on Show More to display more apps. So choose the apps that you want to include in the summary notifications and then tap on Add Apps. Next, you can choose a time. So in here, by default, it will allow 2 notifications coming from the selected apps. The first one is at 8 a.m. and the second one is at 6 p.m. If you want to add in any additional notifications throughout the day, you can tap on Add Summary, and in here you can set a time. So maybe perhaps another one at 2 p.m. So we've got 8, 2, and 6 p.m. And then tap on Turn On Notification Summaries. And that's it. So that is how you can turn on or turn off the schedule summary notifications on the iPhone 16 series. Finally, you can swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.